Budapest and beyond! Some statues don't really need an extensive background story. Some statues don't require a legend to tie into their incredible popularity. Some statues are just fun. The popularity of the statue, a girl with her dog, is evident. Tourists and locals line up to have a chance to pose with these two whimsical characters. But we all know the canine passive-aggressive look in the dog's face. The look that says, please take this ball and throw it so I can chase it. But the dog's face is also saying, don't you dare take this ball from me. I love this ball. And the girl's like, just give me the ball. There is one bit of trivia attached to this Budapest landmark. Artist Raffay Dávid already knew he wanted to be a sculptor when he was just 3 years old. That's it. That's all I can tell you about the statue. It isn't that far from the Little Princess statue, another piece of art that shows a little girl playing. So maybe this area of Budapest is just fun.